What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And real quick, I do want to say thank you to all the people that showed love, liked my video, subscribed, have been commenting, and as you know, gone to my Instagram DMing me about questions. I really do appreciate it. I love talking to you guys. I love gathering information, talking about it. So if you guys have any other questions, or maybe I'll leave something out in this video, please let me know in the comment section down below, or even DM me. So I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for, you know, all the love on my channel. But today, guys, I'm going to be talking about the top mods, exterior mods that I've done on my Mustang. Now, this is a 2004 Mustang GT, and I've been having it for about almost 3 years now, I believe. And I've done so many things to my cars, from changing this to that. And what I want to do is I want to give you guys an idea of what to do with your car. I don't want you guys to really copy me, but really get an idea, be different, be original. So right now I'm going to be talking about 5, maybe a little bit more points about, you know, which things are my favorite. But before we get to that, let's get inside the car and go for a ride. All right, guys, so let's turn on the whip here. And by the way, I'm at an abandoned church, and it's pretty creepy over here, man. All right, real quick, guys, I do want to show you how this ratchet shifter works. Now, it's not part of my mods, but I get a lot of DMs asking me, hey, yo, how does this work? So I know I did a video and it was pretty bad on me explaining it, so I'm gonna show you again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna obviously, you know, put my foot on the brake and pull on the lever, and you can see the lights right here. You can see park. So I'm gonna pull up the lever that's right behind the shifter, pull it up, go down to reverse. The shifter's already up, so all I have to do is push it down to neutral and drive. And now we're in drive, so let's get it going. Man, with the skinnies, I've been able to turn like if this thing was a Prius. Back when I had 275s in the front, I could not do that at all. Let's go over here, man. So a lot of people have been asking me, hey, how does it feel with the stall and the shift kit? Well, I'm gonna show you guys. Let's get to it. This is Honda behind me. Oh, crap. Woo! Oh, that was crazy. Probably a little too risky, but it's whatever. The back roads of Texas, bro, nothing beats it. Oh, boys. Alright, guys, let's get to our destination and let's talk about our 5 points. Alright, guys, so we arrived at our secluded location, and the first thing I'm going to talk about is the front of the car. Now, the front of the car is very important. Obviously, you're going to be looking at it, but when people are looking at their rear view mirror, man, they're going to be looking at something mean. Now, one of the first things I bought for my car when I first got it was a chin spoiler, because I was looking at it from the side, right, and I was like, bro, why does it look like it doesn't have a chin? And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna call me a chin spoiler. And shout out to my boy Alex, by the way, who had this chin spoiler before me, and he really persuaded me to get one. I was like, dude, this thing looks so badass on my car. Excuse the big booty bug splatter right there, but haven't watched the car in a very long time. But I do recommend most people get a chin spoiler. Actually, I do recommend all of you guys to get a chin spoiler. There's different styles. You can get the Mach one, or you can get this one. Now, I got this from magicdrift.com for like 60 bucks, and I really do like it. Just complements the car a lot. It makes it look lower, especially if you're lower too, it makes it look lower. And in Texas roads, man, this thing has been super durable. So I really do like this right here. It's just really nice. And you can shine it up if you put some tire shine and stuff like that. So this thing, 10 out of 10. I recommend. Now let's get to the next things. All right, so secondly is a Mach 1 grill delete. Now you can get the front piece, the back piece, and the horse for, I believe, 100 bucks off of late model restoration. And by the way, guys, I will have links all in the description down below of all the things that I bought, so you guys can look at them, maybe even buy them if you want. Oh, you guys should see my transmission cooler back there. It's pretty cool. But yeah, so this too these pieces and the front and the horse, $100, man. That's a steal. That's a really good deal. So that right there, honeycomb delete, I loved it because, man, do I hate honeycomb. Like this part right here of the Newedge Mustang, as you can see, you see that water spot, that water drip. That's all because I washed it, right? Water gets stuck in there. I think I get it all out. When I'm driving, it just splatters all over again. So I'm like, bro, whoever invented honeycomb must suffer. But we got the chin spoiler, you got the Mach 1 grill delete, and since we're at the front of the car, I'm gonna talk about a pair of lights. Now you got your headlights, and you also got what most people forget are your fog lights. Now you may think that people don't look at your fog lights, but they're actually very useful, especially if you're at night, and they're really cool to turn on when you're taking photos, like rolling shots. Now, I got these thanks to a friend named Sam. Shout out to Sam. He had these exact same headlights on his Cobra, and he had them smoked. I was like, damn, bro, like his car's black too. I was like, this thing is so clean on your car. I believe I got the fog lights and the headlights for $50, and that's just a complete steal. And I got them from Craigslist off a dude. And man, when I tell you guys, use Craigslist, use OfferUp, use your marketplaces. Those places really do have deals. People are just giving stuff away basically, so you might as well shop there because these cars are old, the parts are everywhere. So that's why I love these cars, because they're cheap to modify and they're easy to find parts. Now that we got the front of the car, let's talk about the back of the car. Now this looks really good with this GoPro. Let me know if you guys like the GoPro footage or would like to go back to the camera footage. I really don't care. It's just for you guys. You know, these videos I make for you guys so you can like them and maybe get an idea of what to do. Now, tail lights are one of the first things I smoked and tinted, or smoked, whatever. And I smoked them when I got at my paint job, and I think the guy charged me about $80, and it was a long time ago. That's the reason why I got the headlights, is because I wanted my car with smoked tail lights and smoked headlights. Now, if you're gonna get smoked tail lights, I 100% recommend you get the sequential tail light kit. Now, I believe, again, I will leave everything in the description down below, but I know I got them way after I got these smoked. And man, do they look nice, especially when you have the hazards on. You gap somebody and put those on, bruh, I don't think they'll be mad at you, because these look really nice. And they don't come with these cars too, guys. So if you're gonna get a Mustang, do know that they don't come with this car nor any different models of these cars. They come with like Mustangs, I believe, from 2010 and above. Now that we got the tail lights, now we got the front of the car, the Mach 1 grill delete, the chin spoiler, and the headlights. I'm gonna talk about my last thing, and that's tint. Now, tint, especially here in Texas or if you live in a hot state, is super important, man. Not only for, you know, looks, but for yourself. If you still have a fishbowl, you're gonna tan in there. So when I got tint, I was looking for something not too dark, but something that can also match the paint on my car, because if I get it too light, it was gonna be, well, you can see through it, and I wanted something that could be dark enough to where it matches the paint, especially at night. Now, I got these little two windows tinted on both sides. I got the big window tinted in the back, which is my favorite, by the way, because this is the biggest window. And if you look from the back of the car, again, all tinted, all smoked. And also I got the passenger and the driver side windows tinted. The thing is, I don't have them rolled up because it's pretty hot right now, but all together without the front windshield tinted, I forgot to tint this. I don't know why, but I'm gonna have a friend do it for me. But for the front two, the rear twos, and the big one, all $80. And man, is that a good deal. And you got to find these people, man. I mean, there's people out there who are, you know, maybe starting their businesses out. Try them out. You know, these are people who are trying to make a reputation, so just search for those people. They may have great, you know, deals and stuff like that. And that's, you know, a person I found. He was starting out. He did a great job. I mean, this tint's been on the car since, I think when I first got in that first year. So I really do like it a lot. It's one of my favorite things. So all together, guys, I mean, those things are, obviously, they're not the cheapest, but they're fun things to do in your car. They're not the most expensive. Again, these cars are fun to change, mod, do things, be creative. Again, guys, I have all the links down in the description. So if you guys have any questions, or maybe I left out on something, please let me know. Comment. I like to hear you guys' opinions. I like to talk to you guys down in the comment section. And please do follow my Instagram at DannyThe2V, and, you know, DM me there if you have any questions again. But to the end of the video, guys, again, thank you so much for liking my video, subscribing, showing love. I really do appreciate it. Did want to make a quick video with my GoPro Hero 7 Black. Again, if you like this type of footage, or maybe going back to the camera, please let me know. Again, guys, thank you so much, and see you guys on the next time.